Here, bring this to Uncle.
Yeah.
I would just do, you know, couple, that's in the other fridge.
I want that one.
Give me those puzzle pieces right there. Maisie.
Bob.
Okay.
Bob. I want that one.
Yeah, hold on. What, is that for me?
Oh, that's
Why don't you have a yogurt that we just got? One of those young, fun yogurts. They run the cookie yogurt so that I
a new lullaby.
Look it. Want to try that?
No. I want that one.
Hello, it's Tristan. Hey. Oh, here. Okay, yeah, that'll be fine. Thank you. You said 11 or 1:30. Okay, alright, got it. Okay, thank you. I can go outside.
Ooh, AJ, look, come here. Oh, look, mine.
What?
Building a puzzle.
No.
Here comes Saraya. Go sit down and build your puzzle. You wanted to build it so bad.
No.
MJ,
Yeah.
can you please put these things in the fridge for me out there?
Yeah. Oh God. Sorry, Mocha.
I have 2 things for you. Just be careful you don't trip or anything when you go out there. Ready for more?
No, I'm trying to watch my step. AJ.
What?
Look at.
Am I just putting the whole box in there or?
Yeah, put the whole thing in the fridge.
Alright.
Baba.
Oh, broccoli.
Fridge, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
And then the wings, the chicken wings that are on the floor. Put them in the freezer, right?
Yeah, in the bottom part.
Yep.
AJ, come here. AJ,
What?
can you put this on the counter for Uncle?
No.
Okay, next time you want something, I'm gonna say no.
Huh?
Next time you want something, it's gonna be no.
What?
Counter on the other side. Right there. Right there. Thank you so much.
Is that everything?
I think so, yep. He's in the bathroom, bud, so yeah,
Okay.
thank you.
Welcome.
Tequila. My dog.
Yeah. And
How did you get my dragon?
I know.
Well, you didn't like it. Yeah. No, they can be in things and whatever. They sit down and eat things and toast. No, no, we're leaving. That's why we don't buy them like that. We're leaving, yeah, we're going bye-bye. Put that back on. He's all that, no, we're going bye-bye. Now go fix your sock. I almost had them. Yeah, right? It's like baseball instead of catch. Fix on everything. What's the problem?
Something about those blue cushions. Okay, baby.
You've been trying to get back up here. She pooped, she peed.
Yeah, you did? Sawyer, no.
It doesn't come out, is it? It's a cat toy. It doesn't come out.
Hey, AJ. You wanna go to the blue store? You wanna go to the blue store?
It's another new one. Another new one. Yeah, there's another new one. Yep, but not dead. You've already been to 2 new ones on our trip. I know it. Now you're gonna go to another one. Another one? Okay. That doesn't come out. Oh, why does he have a cat toy? Come and love it. Work on her up and get them all up in the past. Seriously. Yeah, this one's.
Okay, let's go.
Alright. We're leaving this chaotic. Yeah, let's go. Ask Bubba if you can take it with you.
Huh?
You gotta ask Bubba if you can take it with you.
Take what?
The dragon.
Oh. Only. I don't know. Where are you guys going? Another one?
We're going to another store.
Why?
Because we have to go to get the fire.
Hold Hold on, let me finish this round and I'll come with because he's not leaving that house without me. With that thing.
He's not gonna do anything with it.
He broke his snake.
Hey, he broke the snake. He took the tip off the tail.
Yep.
Okay, leave the rocks alone.
So hold on.
Ah,
Oh, where's the
my
pills?
phone down here. Okay.
No, it's right on the chest. I have it on the charger.
Okay. Let the zombie spawn in. Wait, does Uncle Tristan have like a thing that I can probably plug my cord into in his car and they'll like the exit? Okay. Okay.
MJ, can you please put this walker in there?
Walker?
He means a mouse.
Okay. Now, hold on. Give me a moment. Hold on.
Don't let him open now.
I won't.